My wonderful Debimmer Relief Net family. Your intensity is not a problem, it's potential. Ready to redirect it? First, name it.
Say, I'm fired up out loud. I'm fired up.
Labeling cools the heat and creates space. Second, breathe. 3 slow inhales. 3 long exhales. Immediate reset. Third, flip the target. Ask, what outcome do I want? Growth or conflict? Pick growth. Now channel it. Turn emotion into micro actions. A 15-minute focus sprint. 1 hard conversation prepared with bullet points. A workout that releases adrenaline. Use structure as a valve. Schedule intense time for deep work. Schedule cool-down time to reconnect. Practice curiosity in charged moments. Ask 1 question before you react. Help me understand. Slows you down and rewires the interaction. Finally, make a ritual. Journal 1 raw thought, then 1 next step. That tiny habit converts heat into momentum. Your intensity is energy, not a sentence. Aim it, train it, use it to build, not burn.